What's the meaning of cosmology? Cosmology. Cosmology.
Cosmology. Cosmology. Cosmology is the branch of astronomy that deals with the study of the origins, structure, and evolution of the universe as a whole. It aims to understand the fundamental nature of the universe, including its origin, history, contents, and eventual fate. Cosmological research involves theoretical and observational efforts to comprehend the cosmic microwave background radiation, the formation of galaxies and large-scale structures, dark matter, dark energy, and the geometry of the universe. Understanding cosmology is essential for uncovering the secrets of the universe and our place within it.